on, man. That's not. Well, he's making a U-turn. You know how many times they told me go, and it's like.
Turn me up, YC. Turn me up, YC. Turn me up, YC.
I want to do what I do, but you don't get.
What are you doing? What are you doing? This light is red. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at this guy. Look at this. JNE 6714. Like, you already went through the crosswalk. You're in the middle of the intersection. What are you going to do? U-turn? Oh, Jesus. Or are you going to make a left? Look. Yo, I tell you, the things people do never cease to amaze me, I swear. It's looking like he's going to make a left turn. He had to go all the way up there to do that. Yeah, look at that. Look at this one. Crazy. This one walks right in front. If I didn't see him, I would have kept going. He just walked right in front. There's no crosswalk here. Yo, man. To drive in New York, I swear. And look, barely enough for one car to get through. Two cars.
Talking crazy, spitting knowledge, making you regret. Waking up the zombies. Are you listening? I'm building up an army, so you better stop playing with me.